Which is better, raw carrot or carrot juice? Carrots are not only high in nutritional value but also have many health benefits. There is no doubt that eating whole carrots is much better than drinking carrot juice. A medium carrot weighs about 80 grams and contains about 2.8 grams of dietary fiber. If you juice carrots, all the dietary fiber in carrots will be lost. Dietary fiber is known as the seventh nutrient of the human body. Clinical medicine has shown that people with high intakes of dietary fiber appear to be at significantly lower risk for developing heart disease, hypertension, stroke, diabetes, obesity and gastrointestinal diseases. In addition, the vitamin C in carrots will also be lost 50% to 60% during the juicing process.
Yeah.